Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to the computer class, and I hope you all are fine and safe. So, today, inshallah, we will be starting unit number 4, KTurtle commands. We have already discussed this KTurtle software in the previous unit, and some of the basic commands we just discussed with you, and some of them quickly we will revise in this unit before we move on towards the major more commands. So we have over here FW command, and we are very well aware of it that FW means forward. It stands for forward, moving your turtle forward, as the in the example you can see over here. But one thing which you need to remember is that you should give a single space between the command and the number which you're writing. As in the example, if you type FW without a space 75, an error can appear to most of you. That will be, as you can see in the screen, an unknown function named FW was called will appear. So I hope that my children are keeping these points in mind while using the commands. Now we move on towards the next command. Let's see which command we have over here, and that is the BW command. And the steps for backward direction are, you will simply write backward. And one thing more, I want to remind you that always write your commands in the small letters. No need to use the capital letters, as some of my students were trying to apply these commands using the capital caps lock, so it again gives you an error. Now we come back again towards our BW command. Simply we will give us we will give a command over here. As you can see, example is here. BW stands for going back, go backward. Again space and then 60. This command moves the turtle 50 steps backward. Now we move on towards the next one, and that is turning right, means TR and TL. Both of them with their alphabets, it is clear that turn the turtle towards the right side or the left side. So TR stands for turning left, and the number of degrees which you want to apply, like over here in the example you can see we can turn the turtle towards the TR space 65, that will be the degrees towards the right side. Now in the same way we will follow for the TL command, turning the turtle towards the left side, and again the degrees of the commands we can give. That was an overview, and we have already practiced these commands. Now let's move on towards a new command which we are going to learn in this lesson, and that is the direction command. And it is possible for you to command the turtle to point its head in any direction using the TR or TL command. You can do this using the direction command. Now we have a new command over here, and the short form of direction is DIR. The direction command followed by the number of degrees turns the turtle's head in the clockwise direction by those many degrees. As you can see over here, example is given over here, DIR space 40. And one more thing which we can do is, I can show you over here, if you're not sure of how many degrees the turtle should move, we can use another method to change the direction of our turtle. Now for that purpose you have to click the tools menu. Now let's move on towards the KTurtle window, and let's try this over there, that you have to click the tools menu. Over there the first option will be there, as you can see in this picture, direction chooser. And once you will be done with that, that will be another one you have to use. That will be the click the tools menu and then select the direction chooser option. You can let's move on for this purpose to the KTurtle window, and afterwards we'll come back again towards this slide. Now my children, you can see that I have opened my KTurtle window, and over here I have this option in the top over here, the tools option. When I click on this, you can see direction chooser, the first option is here. When I click on this, the command type, which side you want to make the turtle's head to move, that will be left, right and direction if you want to change that one. And next to it is how much you need to change that one. If I use this direction over here, that will be totally different, so I will use this. And over here you can see turtle is over here, and the different angle, like this is a 90 angle, and straight line that will be in 180 angle. When I move it upwards, you can see in the picture my turtle's head is moving. So if I set it towards over here and towards the 90 angle, so it will just move to the left hand side, that will be turned left towards the left hand side. The same thing I can practice for the right hand side, the 90 angle. It will, you can see the change, it has changed the face of my turtle. Now how you can paste this command to your editor pane. For that purpose, let's go to the slides view, discuss that one, and then we will come back again to this window. Yes children, now I am back to my slide, and here I have, as you can see, that these steps we have done till here. Now we change the angle, the direction, and as you can see the red one, this is the 30 angle over here, and new direction, previous was the 30th, and the new they are telling us it's a sample over here with us. The next thing, when you set the direction of your turtle, the fifth step for that, you have to click paste to editor option. You can see this is number 5, this is the paste to editor option button to paste the command in the editor window, and then you can click the close button. This is the close button. Now let's move back to the KTurtle window. For that purpose, I will show you over here that how we can do that. When, as you can see, this is a KTurtle window appearing over here, and the new direction I want to change. You can see now my direction of the previous direction and the new direction. I select it over here and it has turned right towards that one. I will click this paste to editor option. You can see when I paste to editor, the command has been pasted over here. Now it's done. Now I will click the close button, and this way we can finish the, you can see I click the run button and the direction of my turtle has been changed. So following these steps, you can change the direction of your turtle without giving the TR and TL commands for your turtles. Now let's move towards the next command. Let's see which it is. Now we have, you can see this is the center command, and we will be writing these commands for this, and these are in the command. You can see over here the first one, reset. It's a new one for you. Most of you are already practicing with this one, but now we have here reset. FW space 100 means forward 100 and then turn right 150, and in the center then come back. This is a center command. Now let's see that how it will work. And you can see the reset will move the turtle to the center of the canvas with its head pointing upward. reset stance. Over here, this is the explanation for that one. And FW and turn right TR command we already have discussed before and practiced before as well. And the center brings the turtle to the center of the canvas without drawing a line. Note that the head of the turtle points in the same direction as in the previous command, like it was for the TR150. And let's quickly, I will show you the KTurtle window over here. Yes, students, now as you can see that I have written these same commands I have discussed with you in the slide: reset, FW 100 and TR space 150, and again center. And my turtle is here in the center of the screen. Now let's apply this function. You can see it moved and then it came back in the center and turned the face towards the left side. This way you can practice by yourself the commands we discussed today, the direction command and the center command. And I hope my children will be practicing these things. And let's move towards today's task, and the today's task will be objective type questions, and this is a book work and you have to fill in the blanks with the correct words. And anyone having any query, you can ask me for that. I am here to guide you all. And that's all for today. Have a good day. Take care. Allah Hafiz children. See you inshallah in the next class.